Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 47 Addison Road. It's a substantial 3-bedroom, 3-storey and terraced property. And then moving into the property, we've got the hallway here with stairs leading up to the first floor. And then we've got 2 separate reception rooms, starting with the first one here at the front of the property. You can see some lovely coving detail to the ceiling, lovely fireplace and a large bay window as well to the front aspect. And moving through to the second reception room, we've got some wood effect tiled flooring through here, which runs through into the dining kitchen as well. So moving through, and we've got this lovely open plan dining kitchen with integrated cooker and hob, also some built-in storage as well. And then we've got one door to the side, along with the bifolding doors at the rear, which lead straight out onto the garden. And there we can see the folding doors which access through to the cellar from here as well. And then we can see the space in the cellar here as well. Okay, and then moving on to the first floor, and we've got 2 bedrooms up here with the bathroom and box room, and then we've got the stairs leading up to the second floor, up to the 3rd bedroom. So starting off with the main bedroom here at the front of the house. And we've got built-in wardrobes, lovely decorative fireplace, 2 windows to the front aspect. Really good sized room. Moving through to the second bedroom. Again, a good double-sized bedroom. And then we've got a box room here for storage. Just goes around to the side as well, where we've got some useful shelving space. And then into the bathroom, fitted with a nice modern white suite, including a roll top bath with shower above. And we've also got the cupboard in the corner here, which houses the gas-fired boiler and provides further storage space. Okay, and then moving up to the second floor, we've got a landing area with a further built-in storage cupboard and a skylight, which then leads into this top bedroom. Again, really nice size room. So we've got a window to the front aspect, and we also have access into the eaves storage areas. Okay, then moving into the rear garden, out of the bifolding doors from the kitchen. And we've got this nice lawn section here with further hard standing and patio to the rear of the garden. And then we can also see there's gated access to the shared side passageway with next door, which leads back out onto Addison Road. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact the office as soon as you can, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.